Hi, I'm Dr. Ranjit. I work in Department of Science and Technology. So I would like to share my experience with Dr. Rajat Gupta, who have done my liposuction. Before surgery, I was a little bit worried because I don't know what will be the after effect, because I'm so much of worried about when after liposuction whether I have a lot of pain and all this stuff was disturbing in my mind. So Dr. Rajat Gupta was giving me very comfort. He told nothing will going to be I will not get any pain, and I have undergone liposuction. After that, it was true. I didn't have a little bit heaviness feeling was there, but I don't feel any pain at all. But there was a swelling around and little bit heaviness feeling was there. But I'm so happy with the results actually, because and the staff also was very friendly. So I'm very much comfort. Now it's almost 1 month after my liposuction, so you can see me like almost I think 80% of swelling has gone. That is really very good.